Guys, it's a Monday here in La Paz, which means it's a great day to go mountain biking on Death Road.
We've signed up with Gravity, the company out of La Paz, and we are all geared up now. The weather is a little bit rainy, but it's okay. We've got great guides, so I am a little bit nervous. Jared is not nervous at all, but I think it's a mental thing, the fact the road is called Death Road.
It's known as the most dangerous road in the world. Let's see how it is, eh? Let's get on the road.
So we're all kitted out. We've got our good helmet, we've got some gloves. They've given us a rain jacket as well as another jacket underneath to keep warm, and pants. We've also got elbow pads and knee pads to come as well. I'm 100% going to take them in case I have a fall. I don't know about Jared, he's a bit more confident than I. It's going to be awesome. I feel like it's going to be a really good day.
Alright, we just completed the first little test section, which is down a paved road. Getting a little bit of speed, getting used to the bike. We finished the paved road part of the trail. Now we're going to jump in the bus, go 10 kilometers uphill, and then we're going to be at the start of Death Road.
The cars coming up, a lot of people, if they're riding to the more center or to the right, they have a tendency to go over to the right when a car is coming up.
Okay, we're at the top of Death Road now, and we're about to start cycling it.
It's 32 kilometers, all downhill, all gravel, with a huge cliff on our left-hand side.
We're at 3,193 meters, and we're going down to, I think, 1,200 meters. So it's a long way down.
All right, let's go.
So far I'm doing okay. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm right at the back, but I'm taking my time. I'm trying to concentrate on both brakes at the same time, plus standing, so I don't get a sore bum from that. But I'm feeling pretty okay. How are you feeling, Jazz?
Halfway through the ride now, we've pulled up, have some lunch and an epic view sandwich as well. Right, we charged through that flat section. There's only 7 kilometers to go now, so downward hill all the way. Then it's lunchtime and cracking into some beers. We just made it to Yungas, which is this tiny little village, and when I say tiny, I mean tiny. One cool thing about this town though is
it is the end of the Death Road, so we've just completed it. 32 kilometers was it? Or 30? Yeah, 32 kilometers. So this is the end of the road.
We have 5 more minutes to get to our lunch spot, and then that's it. Time to crack the cervezas. And that's it. We have finished the world's most dangerous road.
What a day. I was so nervous at the beginning of the day, but the guys were so brilliant. Our team was awesome. Everyone's so encouraging, and we all completed it with massive smiles on our faces.
Mountain biking Death Road, check. The day's not over yet though. We're gonna go get some lunch now. It's included as part of our tour with Gravity.
And maybe have some beers, have some chats, and just take in what we did today. It was awesome.
So where we're having lunch is actually an animal refuge, and all these animals that are in here have been rescued from the black market, so it's really, really cool and interesting. There are some monkeys here, and I believe there's even a bear that's been rescued from the black market, which is good. Awesome to support these kind of places that are doing good instead of exploiting animals.
I'm so glad there's people like this in the world that do rescue animals. I am so happy for these people, and thank goodness for these people.
There's a spider monkey. Hey buddy. Thanks mate. Cheers. Cheers guys. Woo. Decided to do one of the optional tours here at Senda Verde, which is a bear tour, and we're probably going to see some monkeys too. So they actually have a bear here. Whoa. And monkeys jumping around, and so we're going to go for a walk. It's only like $5 US for the tour. We're going to learn a lot more about the work that they do here and see some of the animals that they have rescued over the last couple of years.
So this is Aruma. Aruma is an Andean spectacle bear. Now we do have, actually we've got 4 bears altogether now. So this is the only species of bear you'll find in South America.
Behind me are 2 Andean spectacled bears, and they were brought here when they were about 4 months old. In fact, the sanctuary bought them for only $200 US. They are an endangered species, but they bought these bears off of these smugglers, and now they live here in this sanctuary, and they've given the female 1.5 square kilometers and the male 3.5 square kilometers to wander around and just be a bear again. They're at risk of being sent over to China and being Chinese medicine or being used as pets, so they're much better here, much safer, and much happier as well. So today we went with gravity assisted bikes for our mountain biking death road, and I just want to say we are not sponsored by them at all. We paid full price for our tour and they were amazing. The bikes were awesome, the guides were really, really cool, and we even got to come hang out at La Senda Verde. They're the only bike company in La Paz that come here, and that was a really cool way to finish the day. And that's it, that's mountain biking death road, the world's most dangerous road. It was incredible, we knew it would be, but it even surpassed our expectations. Thanks very much for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next adventure. If you liked the video, hit that thumbs up button, don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications as we bring out a new video every week. Thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you on the next adventure.